Hi, this is Liz Haddock from Social Work Exam Strategies, and today we are going to review the National Association of Social Workers Code of Ethics. Listen to the recording anytime, anywhere.
The Code of Ethics will be presented in 7 videos. This is video number 5 out of 7. Ethical Standard number 4. Social workers' ethical responsibilities as professionals.
We will start with Code 4.01, Competence. A. Social workers should accept responsibility or employment only on the basis of existing competence or the intention to acquire the necessary competence. B. Social workers should strive to become and remain proficient in professional practice and the performance of professional functions. Social workers should critically examine and keep current with emerging knowledge relevant to social work. Social workers should routinely review the professional literature and participate in continuing education relevant to social work practice and social work ethics. C. Social workers should base practice on recognized knowledge, including empirically based knowledge relevant to social work and social work ethics. Now we will review the following codes, starting with Code 4.02. Discrimination social workers should not practice, condone, facilitate, or collaborate with any form of discrimination on the basis of race, ethnicity, national origin, color, sex, sexual orientation, gender identity or expression, age, marital status, political belief, religion, immigration status, or mental or physical ability. Code 4.03. Private conduct. Social workers should not permit their private conduct to interfere with their ability to fulfill their professional responsibilities. Code 4.04. Dishonesty, fraud, and deception. Social workers should not participate in, condone, or be associated with dishonesty, fraud, or deception. Next code, 4.05. Impairment A. Social workers should not allow their own personal problems, psychosocial distress, legal problems, substance abuse, or mental health difficulties to interfere with their professional judgment and performance, or to jeopardize the best interests of people for whom they have a professional responsibility. B. Social workers whose personal problems, psychosocial distress, legal problems, substance abuse, or mental health difficulties interfere with their professional judgment, and performance should immediately seek consultation and take appropriate remedial action by seeking professional help, making adjustments in workload, terminating practice, or taking any other steps necessary to protect clients and others. Next, we will review Code 4.06. Misrepresentation A. Social workers should make clear distinctions between statements made and actions engaged in as a private individual and as a representative of the social work profession, a professional social work organization, or the social workers employing agency. B. Social workers who speak on behalf of professional social work organizations should accurately represent the official and authorized positions of these organizations. C. Social workers should ensure that their representations to clients, agencies, and the public of professional qualifications, credentials, education, competence, affiliations, services provided, or results to be achieved are accurate. Social workers should claim only those relevant professional credentials they actually possess and take steps to correct any inaccuracies or misrepresentations of their credentials by others. Next, we will review Code 4.07 Solicitations. A. Social workers should not engage in uninvited solicitation of potential clients who, because of their circumstances, are vulnerable to undue influence, manipulation, or coercion. B. Social workers should not engage in solicitation of testimonial endorsements, including solicitation of consent to use a client's prior statement as a testimonial endorsement, from current clients or from other people who, because of their particular circumstances, are vulnerable to undue influence. Code 4.08 Acknowledging Credit A. Social workers should take responsibility and credit, including authorship credit, only for work they have actually performed and to which they have contributed. B. Social workers should honestly acknowledge the work of and the contributions made by others.
We have reviewed ethical standard number 4, social workers' ethical responsibilities as professionals. This video is video number 5 in a series of 7 videos. In the next video, we will be discussing ethical standard number 5, social workers' ethical responsibilities to the social work profession.